years. What moved the Forex market? Due to the fact that the Forex market is made up of currencies from all over the world, predicting exchange rates can be difficult. A number of factors could contribute to price movements. Like most financial markets, the Forex market is primarily driven by supply and demand, so it is necessary to understand the factors that drive price fluctuations. Central banks. A central bank controls supply by announcing measures that have a significant impact on the exchange rate of its currency. An economy can be made more competitive by quantitative easing, for example, by injecting more money into it. News reports. A strong economy is more likely to attract investment from commercial banks and other investors. The market will increase demand for a region's currency when positive news about that region hits the market. There will be an increase in its price if the supply of the currency does not increase concurrently with demand. The price of a currency can also decrease when there is a piece of bad news that causes investment to decline. Currency values tend to reflect the economic of the region in which they are traded. Market sentiment. Currency prices can also be affected by market sentiment, which is often influenced by news. A currency's direction may be determined by traders who decide to trade accordingly, increasing or decreasing demand as a result. Economic data. Economic data heavily influence currency price movements for two reasons. It provides an indication of how an economy is doing, and it provides insight into what its central bank might do. Credit ratings. A market's return will be maximized while risk will be minimized by investors. When making investment decisions, investors may take into account credit ratings in addition to interest rates and economic data. A credit rating measures a country's likelihood of repaying its debts on an independent basis. The credit rating of a country determines whether it is a safe place to invest. A low credit rating indicates the opposite. Whenever credit ratings are upgraded or downgraded, this is often brought into focus. Currency prices can increase for a country whose credit rating has been upgraded and vice versa.